Hey, what's up guys? This is Taylor with the CyberMU team. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today I'm going to cover AVG and how to download it. It's just going to be a quick installation guide. So we're just going to start here at the AVG free download page. And I'm going to go ahead and drop this link down in the description of the YouTube video so you can have it for future reference. And we're just going to go ahead and start. We'll just do the free download here. And as you can see, it'll just walk you right through it. Just hit run, then you follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, now we're here at the install button. Just click that. You can see it pops up here in the corner. Shows you the progress here. Make sure you're not turning off your computer during this time. And as you can see, the installation is finished. It says you're protected. Let's go ahead and go to continue. You can enter your email address here. I'm just going to put no thanks. I don't want to protect my phone right now. I'm going to cover that in another video. Alright, it's going to walk you through. It's got a really easy user interface. You can scan the computer here. I'm just going to run you through these other options here. So as you can see, your computer is going to be protected here. Stops threats in real time. It protects your web and email here. If you go ahead and upgrade, supposedly it's going to protect you against hacker attacks. Privacy is not protected right now. Your payments aren't protected right now. That's going to be in a more upgraded version. But let's go ahead and do our first scan. It says our browser is secure. That's awesome. Now it's going to scan for rootkits. It even does a performance check for you. Alright, and here are some of the performance issues it found. You can actually just go ahead and resolve those. You can go in, you can check them out a little bit if you want to. Here's some of the junk that they found. Broken registries, fonts. Close that, and you can see that we have 6 programs that are slowing down our computer. Let's just go ahead and resolve those. And we just finished our first scan. And as you can see right now, we are all protected. Using this in tandem with your Windows Defender or other host-based antivirus programs will actually give you pretty much all the protection you're going to need. If you want a more robust software, you can go ahead and pay for it if you want to. There are other paid versions of AVG, other software out there. And of course, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Follow us at Twitter at CyberMU1, and check us out on Facebook. Thanks.